everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today it is quick fix for fix issue your site does not have default kit. So fix this issue. It is due to Elementor. So just go at here. Go at here in the Elementor. And go to tools and click on recreate kit. Now it is created. Click on save changes. Now refresh again. Now it is fixed. So now if you access again for tool, and you will not get that option again because our default kit is created. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.